Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, from last 2 years we are facing the COVID-19 pandemic and it has affected all our lives. So despite of positive cases are continue to string, still it is having huge concern to all of us. So according to many experts, there will be third wave of this pandemic and hence people are continue to panic and they are continuously buying some medical supplies. So friends, in all this pandemic, oximeters are crucial instruments and playing important role in monitoring and tracking the SpO2 level. Okay, that is oxygen saturation level of our body. So nowadays many local pharmacies and stores across country, they are also running out of the supply of oximeters. So in this video I will try to show you how you can measure the heart rate, the oxygen saturation and respiration rate of your body using your mobile phone itself. So let's start. So friends, there are so many applications on Google Play and Apple Play Store for free that claim to offer same kind of functionality like oximeter. So today we are going to discuss the application called Careplix Vitals. So this application will help you to measure the heart rate, oxygen saturation and respiration rate of your body. Friends, first of all we will try to know how this application work. So most of such kind of application claim to use the principle of photoplethysmography, or it is also called as PPG, that allow to detect the volumetric variations of our blood circulation by using the light source. So it is the low cost and non-invasive method that makes measurement at the surface of our screen. The technique provides valuable information related to our cardiovascular system. So in this case, the app uses phone's flashlight and camera instead of infrared light in the oximeter to measure the SpO2 level. So typically a COVID-19 positive patient must ensure that SpO2 level is above 95%, and if its level is below 95%, then you must be concerned with your particular doctor. So friends, how you can download this application? So on Play Store it is not available. So to download this application, you can visit the official website that is called vitalscareplix.com. Now friends, on this website you can see here download the app link. Now whenever you will click on this link, it will show you this particular dialog box. Now what they are saying here, they just pull out the application from Play Store. Friends, today in the morning I downloaded this application from Play Store itself, but now if you go and search on Play Store, you will not find this application because they pull out the application from Play Store. So with some improvement they will again host, because they are facing some technical issue. Friends, I will give link within the description for downloading this application as I have downloaded it. Friends, do not download it from any other website because there are chances that it may contain malware or certain spam. So I have downloaded this application from official website, which I will share with all of you. So you can find out the download link within the description. Now friends, after downloading, just install this application and such kind of icon will be appear on your screen. So whenever you will open application, it will ask you first of all for creating one account. Friends, I have already created account in this application, so you can register yourself and then you can log in. Now after creating account, it will allow you to log in within application and this screen will appear in front of you. The interface is quite simple. Now friends, for measuring the heart rate, oxygen saturation and respiration rate, just tab on record vitals. Here you can see the procedure for scanning. Now friends, here you need to place your index finger on the rear camera. Okay, and you have to cover the camera and flashlight as well. And you don't have to move your finger until the process completes. Okay, now I will place my finger and I will start the scan. Now you can see it is detecting the camera and measuring the signal strength. Now friends, you will hear this music. You can also turn off this like this, and it will take 30 seconds for measuring the oxygen saturation, heart rate and respiration rate. Okay, you don't have to move your finger, you have to keep it fixed at the flashlight and camera. Okay, you can see 60% is completed. Now 80%. Now it will ask you the posture mode. So as I am resting here, okay, whatever posture mode will be, you can select. Now you can see the details here: heart rate, oxygen saturation and the respiration rate. So friends, this application gives near about results to oximeter. Okay, but it is recommended that if you have oxygen level below 95, then you need to immediately contact your doctors. Okay, you can also add this data to your vital history. So later on you can go to vital history and you will get the date and time and the details. Okay, so you can continuously monitor the progress within your health with help of this vital history. So friends, whenever you will perform this scanning multiple times and some good amount of data will be collected, then you can also get analytics here. Okay, so it is saying right now there is no sufficient data. So whenever you will record it few times and it got sufficient data to analyze, then it will show you some major insights as well. Okay, this is how this application will help you to measure the heart rate, oxygen saturation and respiration rate. Okay friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.